Hi friend, welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for you guys. I'm doing a collaboration with the company Haniix. They allowed me to choose 3 different contact lenses to showcase for you guys. So the first color that I'm going to be showing you is the Dazzle Gray. If you click onto the image of each contact, they do show you how it looks on different skin tones as well as different eye colors. The contacts do also come in prescription and 0 strength. I chose 0 strength for all of these contacts. The second color that I chose is the Whisper Olive. And once again, I'm just showing you guys on the website so you can see how the different colors look on different skin tones as well as different eyes. And then the final one that I chose is going to be in the color Oasis Brown. So now I'm just going to pop into the unboxing for you guys. This is the box that the lenses are going to come in. You are going to get a thank you card, and on the back of that thank you card, you can scan these QR codes for tips for lens tutorials as well as lash tutorials. They do give you a couple goodies. They give you this finger air cushion puff makeup sponge. They give you this stainless steel pocket mirror with a leather case. And then they do give you a contact lens applicator set. So the first color right here is going to be Dazzle Gray. Inside of the box, you are going to get a contact lens case, and then you are also going to get the pair of contact lenses. So to put the contact in my eye, first I go in with that little silicone tweezer contact applicator and put it on this holder, and then I just go ahead and insert it in my eye. The holder is at an angle, so it makes it easier to insert it in your eye, especially if you're somebody like me who has nails. It just makes this process so much easier. So that's what it's looking like with just one contact in my eye. And then I'm going to go and do the same thing for my other eye. Straight off the bat, what I did notice about these contacts is it does have a dark limbal ring. I don't feel like I have a preference one way or another. I think the dark limbal ring on these gray contacts definitely helps. If you were to see them in person, it absolutely leans more towards that dark gray color than a blue, which is always what I'm going for when I look for gray contacts. I really like the texture of them, and I feel like it looks very realistic. Something I would definitely recommend you guys is when you get contacts, you're just going to want to soak them in your solution for like 24 hours. I didn't do that with these, so I did notice I got some irritation in my eyes, but that wasn't because of the contact. That was definitely because I didn't soak them beforehand. So now I'm just going to show you guys the color Whisper Olive. And then of course you're going to get another contact lens case and your pair of lenses. And once again, I'm going to go in with my little silicone tweezer and go ahead and put that on the little applicator tool and then pop that into my eye. And this color, you guys, right here, I really like the fact that it's full coverage. It has no limbal ring, but I feel like it did a fantastic job at completely masking the brown of my eye. It looks like I just have green eyes at this point, honestly. If you're somebody of my skin tone, just know that this one's going to be definitely more bold. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more subtle and a little bit easier to hide behind, I probably would say go with something darker like that Dazzle Gray, just because this one is bold. It is beautiful though. You don't get a limbal ring with this one. I feel like the texture looks realistic. It's just a little bit to take in when you're somebody like of my skin tone and you see this pop of like these Rihanna green eyes. It can be a little bit startling, but nonetheless, I do feel like it's a pretty color. It felt pretty comfortable in my eye. And also because of the shape of my eyes, you guys, I feel like I got cat eyes, so these contacts can be a little bold. So now I'm just going to be showing you guys the final color, which is Oasis Brown. Once again, you are going to get your pair of lenses as well as your contact lens holder case. And then again, I'm just going to go in with the little silicone tweezer tool to put that on the lens applicator tool and then pop that in my eye. This one's really pretty, you guys. I feel like there is a very slight limbal ring on this one. This is very much giving me kind of like honey brown. So if you're somebody who likes light brown eyes, this one may be the color for you. Once again, these were comfortable in my eye. I like the texture of them. I feel like they looked pretty realistic. Honestly, if I had to pick my favorite out of these 3, I probably would say the Dazzle Gray, and then runner-up would absolutely be these, and then I would probably say the Whisper Olive Lash, just because I feel like the Dazzle Gray and the Oasis Brown look more realistic for me. But that's pretty much all I have today, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below which ones you like, which ones you don't like, and until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.